What's up, YouTube? So, this is my first trade recap that is more long form. And if you haven't seen my other trade recaps, check out my TikTok. But yeah, basically, let's get it started. Where are we? All right. So, going into the day, I was bullish because, as you can see here, swept out all of these lows and had an extremely bullish reaction out of that. And yeah, going into the day, we had this high and this high, which I thought would definitely need to be taken out first before we can continue bearish. Obviously, they didn't get swept, but nonetheless, still caught a winning trade. Anyway, 4 hour. You can see how we blew through this new week opening gap. We're shooting through all this trend on liquidity, and we're basically just showing no signs of being bearish. So, yeah, also going into the market here, or going into the market open here. You can see how we swept below these lows. I'll show you on the 1 hour. Swept below all these lows. Did we take out these? Not quite. But yeah, one thing I want to get more into is how we had this SMT with ES here. Yeah. Yeah, so S&P 500, they took out this low, while NASDAQ did not take out that low, but we still showed bullish reaction out of that. So, it's an SMT. Anyway, 5 minute time frame. Yeah, we're opening super bullish. And I was basically just waiting for a retrace into 5 minute or 15 minute for value gap. I don't know if we got the 15 minute. I can't remember. Yeah, we did. Yeah. Okay. So the 6:45 a.m. candle tapped into this 15 minute bullish for value gap. And yeah, also a 5 minute, but 15 minute is more important. So then I was just waiting for the highest time frame inversion of this leg here that retraced. And that would have been this 3 minute gap. I'll mark it out. Yeah, it's 3 minute IFVG here. So yeah, we entered originally on this candle because like I don't know if you saw this live or not, but this candle here, this 651 candle was ripping through this. So I wanted to basically just get an entry right now wherever I could. And yeah, entered in there, stop below the swing low. I don't know why it's like touching. Yeah, anyway, stop below that swing low and take profit at this Asia high, which is also, I believe, a high. Was it on the 4 hour? Yeah. So this internal high on the 4 hour time frame. Also Asia high, so it's a good draw. And I was considering holding up to these highs, but I just wanted to take a low RR just to secure profits here. And that was obviously the right move because we dumped right after that. So we got a 1.1 RR, not bad. And yeah, I think that's just about everything. Yeah, as you can see here, we kind of chopped around right after I entered. Could have gotten a better entry if I'd waited for maybe this 1 minute to get tapped into. That's not personally my strategy, but if you wanted to wait for that, I could see why. And if you wanted to wait for this 3 minute to get fully closed through, I could see why too. I saw some people entering up here. But yeah, me personally, I kind of did make the mistake of entering before the candle closed, but I just wanted to get in whenever I could. And I guess I got lucky this time. Oh yeah, break even. We went break even at this 1 minute intermediate term high, the high that rebalances fair value gap. And yeah, after that, we just ran straight to the take profit. So yeah, that's all for this video. I'll be trying to do more of these when I have time because I did wake up at 5 in the morning today for CPI. We don't talk about that. We got destroyed. But yeah, That's all.